subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Google is reportedly working on its upcoming phone called Pixel 8. And before the launch, the smartphone renders and key specification has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hammerstoffer in partner with MySmartPrice. According to leaks and rumors, the upcoming Pixel 8 will support a flat 6.2-inch display with a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature a dual camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom appears to have a dual speaker grille and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 150.5 by 70.8 by 8.9 mm. And apart from this, there is no other details of Pixel 8 has leaked so far. And it is expected to launch in the month of May this year. So as of now, that's all we know about the Pixel 8 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.